Howdy, howdy. We've got the 2-pound sonic boom today. If you look at our shorts, we messed with the 1 pound and we blew up a boot. Today we're gonna see if we can get a good explosion out of this Crayon package. And we're gonna do 2 pounds. The first one was big. I don't even know what this is gonna be like. Yeah, boy.
Dude, I don't know if y'all can see, but
My calculations are correct, it's gonna be a rocket.
there's the 2
See, I
pounds
feel
of
like we should
tannerite.
tighten the top so it does shoot off like a rocket. Hey,
Oh yeah, I forgot.
come on, get rowdy. What do y'all think? Gonna do something cool.
3 more, don't we?
Yeah.
That's the grand finale. What's going on here? Oh yeah.
There we go.
There we go. Take 2.
Take 2.
It fell over.
That was a little scary.
Bro, that was so loud.
That was so weird.
Dude, there's a bicycle.
There's somebody riding by a bike. Everything's okay. Dude, I felt dirt hit me.
Oh, dude, dirt hit me. Bro,
That was crazy.
where did the green thing go?
I don't know.